Well, welcome back to Wisdom Wednesday here in the studio. We're here at Gomm Stained Glass. And before I showed you how we were putting mosaics into this chalkboard. And so today what we want to do is put some grout in it. I've already glued all the pieces in, and now we just have to put some grout in. So I like the pre-mixed grout, and then I'm going to put some black on this one, and then I'll come back and do a tan colored one grout on this one. I just think that would help it to show up. So over here, I'm just going to put this grout right in here. I just want to smush it in to the holes, making sure I have enough. And I did all the gluing yesterday, and so it's dry. And a little bit more here. So, yeah, I think this is going to be fun. So what you use these little chalkboards for is maybe you can put it on your front porch. And when you're not home, someone can come by and say, oh, well, they're not home. I think I'll just write them a little note that says, I was here, I'll call or text later. So I know it's low tech, but that's okay. So we don't have to be high tech all the time. You could also put it in your kid's room. You could put it in your kitchen to put a little, we need milk right here. So it can be used for lots of different things. It's just a cute little thing, a little reminder, a little chalkboard. All right, so I've got it in between pretty well. And you can always go back and add more even after you've wiped it down. Okay, but that's looking pretty good. So what I want to do now is to wipe it down. I don't like to get it really wet. I like to do just a dry wipe. So I can come back in here and just wipe it down. Okay, and I think I'd rather get a rag to do that. Just wipe it down so then you can see the pretty glass again. Go, that cleans it up, and the grout's in there. Yeah, black was the right choice for this one. So I'll probably come back and get in the crevices a little better. Just wanted to show you how it's done. And just wipe it off of the wood. So you don't want it to dry on the wood. All right, and that's all you need to do. And now I can put a little chain or something on the back, or maybe two little eye hooks up at top. And then I'll also connect a little piece of chalk. So it'll always have a piece of chalk there, and that looks really cute. So now I just want to give you a taste of what it would look like with some different color. So let's put kind of a tan color in this one. And this almost reminds me of stones around here. So I think using a tan grout gives it, an idea that there's dirt behind it, and kind of gives it a more organic look. So I'll just do this. And I am being careful not to get too much on the wood, but some's getting on it. And like you saw before, I'm going to just wipe it off anyway. And I'm going to wipe it off right away, so I'm not letting it set and get hard or dry. All right, just kind of stick it in there. And this is just really fun to do, and it goes fast. The hard part was making the frame, and my husband David did that, so there you go. I get the fun part. Okay, so that's pretty much in all the little holes there. I can always go back and get some that I missed. Okay, so now I'm going to come back with my rag and just wipe it down. Oh yeah, that's fun. Okay, so I'll get that a little more shiny, kind of rub that, but doesn't that look nice? It's kind of like an outdoors kind of a look to it. I like it. All right, now what I think I will do is I've seen it done where you go over this chalkboard part with chalk and just go back and forth and then just kind of rub that off so it just gets it ready to write on. So what do you think? We can clean that up a little bit, but I really think that that looks like it's a fun little chalkboard. So you can try this at home, and you don't have to have a fancy little thing like that. You can just put it right on the board too, but just gluing and grouting. And that's all we need to do. So if you like this video, then be sure to go to our channel and watch more videos. We have lots of them for you. Whenever we learn something, we share it with you. So be sure to check, like, and ring the bell, and be sure to comment too. If you have some better ideas, then we'd love to hear from you. So thank you, and we will see you next time.